Ladies and gentlemen, back at it with another video. And today I'll probably be live streaming later, but we got to open 8 Royal Rumble packs. So here we go. I'm gonna come up. If I don't guess who they are, I got the champ or someone stupid. So here we go. Okay, so it's no one. All right. Let me see a little face. Okay, so he's bald. Can we see his eyes? That's Carl Anderson. Oh, it's right. Okay, Buster Packers track. It's basically a guess who. I was gonna do this with gaming TV, but I don't know where he was. And okay, so I just hit the feeder here. Okay, that's a huge full hit. Randy Orton. I saw the eyes. Oh! What? What? 2-in-1 pack. And another Kevin Owens. What? What? Carmella. Okay. Could be another one? Ooh! Ooh! Let's get it! Let's go! Hold on, guys. I'll be back real quick. Alright, guys. Sorry about that. So here we go. Let's see who we get. Okay. Okay, so come on. And here we go! Oops, here we go. Ooh, I'm sorry, guys, but that is my favorite diva, favorite women's wrestler, Becky Lynch. Alright, so we got 4 more to go. We halfway there. Best pose I saw. Here we go. Ooh, not there. He's shacking the fool. Oh, let's car. Let's car. Okay. That's automatic Nikki Bella, because I saw the hat. Alright, so we got 3 more. Let's go. Come on. Oh, that's Alexis Bliss. Okay, I saw the hair. Ooh! Another one! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! 3-in-1 pack! 3-in-1 pack! Is this shit lit? Is this shit? Okay. Oh, we got Bray Wyatt. Okay. We get going. Alright, so we got one. This is the last one. Bit of hope. I don't know what the pack's doing that. You phrased me out with a Miz. Okay, so it's the final pack. Boom! We didn't get no Royal Rumble player, no Royal Rumble card, but we got a takeover. This is extremely the best pack opening. Yay! But please, alright, so recap. Alright, so we're gonna recap pay-per-views. So we got the Alexa Bliss, the A-Kim, something like that, Nikki Bella, Becky Lynch, Amber Moon, Kevin Owens, Xana, Carmella, 2 Randy Ortons, Bray Wyatt, and Carl Anderson. Make sure I'm in game by out. Go my inserts, cause oh my gosh, that was some beautiful posts. Oh yeah, I pulled this Kevin Owens and the Charlotte. Who else? I pulled some great cards. But thank you. If you guys, I'm gonna say thank you. If you guys want me to do more pack openings, hit that like button. I will be doing it. I wanted the Bobby Wood. Ooh, I got the best. But if you guys want me to, like, just hit that pack opening. I mean, no, I can't speak because that is a great spot. Hit the like button, and I will be back with a pack opening. Another one. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys on the flip side.